Samanye bafethu nisakhumbula ukuthi mokhona ushumo wenzeka lapha that day of Metro FM Awards lapho nalizange awina khona because it was against the Black Mambazo, and then because of inhliziyo ebhlungu nokuphatheka kakubi waba umuntu ukuthi noposta izinto amelanga aziposte about i-Black Mambazo, which like into yenza abantu bazive ngale ndlela baziva ngayo ukuthi nathi uyahloniphi unaleti ya disrespect and all those things, which like it's a fact. Mawengana ukhuluma noba kanjani abantu abadala, especially if like uyazazi ukuthi umncane noba if leso mdala ukhuluma kanjani about ingane. Like respect is very important in everything that we do, no matter how uzizwa kanjani uyayibona into le. But into engithandayo nalethi ucolisele yonke lanto leyana.
And people criticized the way you responded being snubbed at the metro. They were saying your approach. What do you have to say with that, with regards to that?
Okay, because ezinye izinto like nginokuzenza without thinking future ukuthi what's gonna happen, I just do things and just sometimes like out of nowhere, out of anger sometimes nginokukhuluma nje ukuthi okay manje ngidiniwe then ngingacabangela ukuthi kusasa kuzoba njani or leyo nto izophenduka njani. I know ukuthi ngwrong and I do take a responsibility for that. And I'm so sorry for that to people, to abantu abadala, because it's very painful ukuthi sometimes ukusebenzele into and then ungatholi reward yabo. It's very painful ukufika kabuhlungu ukuthi usebenzele lokho. I know ukuthi ama-fans athande azobe bengixina othandeka awawuthola ngo-2 million tswane ungixina ke lokho ke nje. I do not take any responsibility for that, but mina on my side I'm so sorry if khona umuntu owake wathinteka, especially komkhulu baby Black Mambazo. I'm so sorry for that. Ngizozama ukuthi ngenze kangcono, ngizozama futhi ukuthi nginenze ukuthi nibe proud. Yeah, ngiyanithanda futhi kakhulu, niqhubeke nilalela umusic wami, niqhubeke ngisupport.
Because uyabonisa ukuthi no, like yes mengizizwa ngalendlela mengizizwa ngayo and mengizizwa kabuhlungu and all those things, but manje ngiyabona amaphutha ami ukuthi mangamelanga ukuthi ngenze kanje because I worked hard and ndenza ama campaign nokuspeakile bancedisa yonke lonto leyo ukuthi like manibuye nayo lanto, but I didn't come back with any award, so I was feeling down, I was feeling sad and all those things. I ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela from the fact ukuthi ubonile iphutha lakhe and then wathatha responsibility. That's the most important part. Abantu abaningi vela bayileka esikhathini samanje because abantu abaningi they always do ama mistake but bengathatha ama responsibility. So I love the fact ukuthi uthathe responsibility. That is why I'm doing this video bafethu, for ukuthi nalabo bangabonanga ukuthi uqolisile bafethu nathi uqolisile, yayibona lonto le, and make sure ukuthi siyaqhubeka sama support and make sure ukuthi siyaqhubeka samuntu uthando because usakhula and sonke nawe esikhathi bokuyila age kana ledi mawuzenza impazamo mawenza amaphutha aqhathanisa nomamakho nabangani bakho, whoever like was around wena yayibona into leyo. So make sure ukuthi whatever yenza kulona daphiwe na ukuthi la kuhlala phansi uyicabanga ukuthi nami futhi ngila age ngabe ngiyenze iphutha elifanele yayibona into leyo, because singane emotionally zonke izinto lezo akajwayele ezinye izinto yabo, but ukuthi ke yena usegamini, so that's a difference yayibona into leyo. So bafethu ingathi singamsupport njalo, simbonise uthando akwazi ukukhula, azabe responsible, azabe lo muntu omthabe uyena bafethu, because sonke sikhula ngamaphutha, akekho umuntu perfect emhlabeni. Sizokhula, sizofunda, size siyofa, yayibona into leyo. So that is why esisho lesibaleka kakhulu ukuthi sizofunda size siyofa, kusho namanye amagama asikho perfect, so hlezi njalo senza amaphutha but kumele sifunde amaphutha wethu. Into engiyithandela lento aphiwe ngancane bafethu.